Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we will start uh, exercise 6.7 page 150. This is the second lecture for question exercise 6.7. Now let's move exercise and question number 8. Now question number 8. In this question we will solve by completing square method. So question number 8, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now take a solution. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now divide 3 in above equation. So because first of all we will find the quadratic equation, so completing square method, so we will divide 3 on above these equations, and coefficients of x square which must be equal to 1. So divide here in this same like this, 3 divided by 3 x square minus 5 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. So each coefficients divided by 3 in this equation. Now x square minus 5 divided by 3x plus 2 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel to each other. Now this is equation we will solve by completing square method. Now in this, now adding 1 divided by 2 cross coefficient of x, 5 divided by 3 is coefficient of x on both sides. So in this equation we will add 5 divided by 3 multiply 1 divided by 2 on both sides like this. 1 divided by 2 coefficient of x is equal to 5 divided by 3 whole square is equal to 5 divided by 3 to the 6. So we will add 5 divided by 3 factors in this equation, left hand side and right hand side. Now x square, so we will add this factor here and here. Now we know that x square minus ab plus b square, which is also equal to a minus b whole square, which is complete square formula here. Now 5 divided by 6 is equal 5 divided by 6 whole square. We will add with 0 0, so with left hand right hand side. Now x is equal to when we find the complete square method, so formula 2 must be here, 2 into 5 divided by 6. So when we multiply 2 into 6, 2 and the 2, 2 3 the 6, so here 3 again is this. So this 2 is the formula for a. So for example this is a, this is 2, this is again b, and this is a, and this is b. So this is 2a minus a plus b, which is a formula for a minus b whole square. Now take close square x plus 5 divided by 6 whole square plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 5 divided by 6 whole square. Now we will take 2 divided by 3 in right side. So 5 divided by 6 whole square minus 2 divided by 3. So when we open 5, apply 2 5s, 5 5s 25, and 6 multiply 6 36. Now take LCM 36 and right side. 36 25 minus 3 6, 3 12 36. So 12 multiplied by 2 24. Now 24 5 minus 1 equal to 1. Now 1 divided by 36 equal to x plus 5 divided by 6 whole square. Now again taking square root on both sides. So when we take root on both sides in this equation, now x plus 5 divided by 6 whole square is equal to 1 divided by 36 under the root. So we will take 2 into cancel this 1 divided by 36, which is equal to 1 divided by 6. So 36 of root is equal to 6 because 6 is square and 2 when we cancel each other, so again 6. Okay, now we will take now x plus 5 divided by 6 is equal to plus minus 1 divided by 6. So this cancelled each other. Now this equation x plus 5 divided by 6 is equal to 1 divided by 6 with respect to plus, and x is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 6 minus 5 divided by 6. So when we take this equation with respect to minus sign, so for example x is equal to x is plus 5 divided by 6 is equal to minus 1 divided by 6. So when we take this equation, this term here, so minus 5 divided by 6, again we can write in this form. Now we will take this from here. So it's taking LCM. So for example x is equal to this, so 1 divided by 6 minus 5 divided by 6. So LCM taking 6, so 1 minus 5 again here. So 1 minus 5, so minus 4 divided by 6. So solution set here, so when we take the value of this x, so x is equal to minus 1 divided by 6 minus 5. So x is equal to minus 1 divided by 5 into 6. So again here minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. So solution set is minus 4 divided by 6 and minus 1. If you can further simplify this equation, so you can write here 2 4s are 2 3s are 6 and minus 1. This is the complete square method of solution set of this equation. Okay. Now question number 9. Solve the following equation by completing square. Again we go to solution. Okay, now x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 into is equal to x minus 3. This equation we will solve by complete squaring method. So in this equation we multiply x plus 2 into x minus 3. First of all we multiply x into x square, x into 3x. Now again 2x into 2 plus 2x and 2 into 3 minus 2 3 is 6. So x minus 3 again here. Now coefficient of 3x and coefficient of 2x. So subtract here 2 minus 1x. So x square minus 1x minus 6, x minus 3 same as it is. Now arrange coefficient one side and variable in one side. Same like that, x square minus x here minus x and 6 is plus 6 minus 3. So minus 2x, x square minus 2x minus x minus x minus 2x and 6 minus 3 3. Now this equation we solve by complete squaring method. Now adding 1 divided by 2 coefficient of x square on both sides. So here coefficient of x is 2. Now this equation 2 added when both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Coefficient of 2, 1 divided by 2 into whole square is equal to 1. So because 2 and 2 cancel to each other, so which is equal to 1 whole square. So 1 whole square add in this equation. Now x square is minus 2x plus 1 square whole square add here, and 1 whole square added right hand side. Now this is make complete squaring formula. So a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is x square, 2 this formula of 2, and x is b, and 1 here when we represented 1 is b, and 1 square. Now close this formula, x minus 1, so a minus b whole square is equal to 1 3 plus 1 whole square. Now x minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. So x minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. Now taking squaring on both sides. So taking squaring on both sides, x minus 1 under the root 2 is equal to under the root 2. So 2 root of this 4. So here we can write 4. Sorry, we can write here 4. Now x minus 1 plus minus 2 now again x minus, so 4, x minus 1 root cancel to each other, so plus minus 2. In this equation again x minus 1 with respect to 2, and x is equal to 2 plus 1. So when we take in this side plus 1, so x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Now again x is equal to minus 2 again here. So when we take here this equation with respect to plus and with respect to minus, so when we take x is equal to minus 2 plus 1 and x is equal to 2 plus 3. So a solution set of this equation 2 plus 3 and minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So this is the solution set of this equation. Solution set for this equation is now question number 10, x square plus 60 x minus 61 is equal to 0. This equation find the solution set for complete squaring method. In the complete squaring method, first of all we will take x square plus 60 x minus 61 is equal to 0. Now 61 take care, so which is the sign will be changed to 61 plus, and now adding 1 divided by 2 the coefficient of x square on both sides. Now when we add the coefficient of x square and whole square, this coefficient of x is 60. Now we will add, when multiply 1 over 2 multiply 60, so 3 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 30s are 60, so 30 square, add in this equation both sides. Now x square plus 60x plus 30x square is equal to 30 square plus 61. Now add 30 square here and 30 square here. Now we will make a complete formula, x square plus 2 into 30x 2 into 30 60x plus 30 square is equal to 30 square plus 61. Now this is make of a minus a plus b. Formula we will close with the help of a minus b whole square, minus a plus b whole square formula. Now x plus 30 whole square is equal to 900 plus 61. So 330 multiplied by 30. X plus 30 whole square is equal to 961. Now we will taking x a whole square on both sides. X plus 30 whole square is equal to 961. So x plus 30 is equal to plus minus 31. Now we will we have take with respect to minus sign and with respect to plus. So x plus 30 is equal to 31. So x plus 30 is equal to minus 31. Now x is equal to 13 here, so we will take here, sign will be changed minus, and now again value of x is equal to 31 minus 30. So value of 31 minus 30 is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 61. So solution set is 1 and 61. Now solve the equation complete squaring. Question number 11. 2x square plus 10x minus 48 is equal to 0. In this equation again we will find solution set through complete squaring method. Solution: 2x square plus 10x minus 48 is equal to 0. Now take 2 common from this equation. When we take common 2 from this, so here the equation will be 2 into x square plus 5, 2 5 is 10. So when we take common 2 minus 24, so 2 24 is 48. Now x square plus 5x is equal to 2x 24. So because 24 is a constant number, so we will take 2 is a 2 divided by, so is the 2 is a multiply, and so when we divide 2 by 10 0, so 2 is 0. 2 0 divided by 2, which is also 0. Now x square plus 5x is equal to 24. Now adding 1 divided by 2, multiply coefficients of x square on both sides. Now coefficient of x square on both sides, when we add here, 5 is the coefficient of x. Now 1 divided by 2 cross coefficient of x, 1 divided by 2 cross 5, 5 is the coefficient of x, which is 5 divided by 2 whole square. Now 5 divided by 2 we will add in this equation left hand side and right hand side for complete squaring. Now x square plus is this equation, x square plus 2 into, when we add this method which help for completing square, so the formula of 2 a plus b whole square, which is also equal to a plus a square plus b ab 2ab. So here the 2 is the for which for formula make 2 into 5 divided by 2 into x. So 2 when we cancel 2 and 2, so again this equation can again, so we help for complete squaring, plus 5 divided by 2 add here and 5 divided by 2 here, so which is make left hand side and right hand side for completing squaring. Now from equation this, which is equal to ax plus 5 divided by 2 whole square, because a plus b formula, which is when we close this equation, write that x plus 5 divided by 2 into whole square is equal to 24 plus 25 divided by 4. Now again taking square, when we take LCM 4, so 4 multiplied by 24 is 96 plus 25. Again x plus 25 divided by 2, and x square is equal to, when we add 25 and 196 add, which is 121 divided by 4. Now here when we take squaring on both sides, here which square and square also cancel to each other, so 121 square 11 multiplied by 11, which is 121. So we can write in this form 11 square. And now again 2 multiplied by 2, here 4, so we can write here 2 square. Both roots, when we take root, so root and 2 cancel to each other, 2 and root cancel to each other, so new equation here, this like that, x plus 5 same as it is, plus minus, when we remove 2 from equation, so 11 is a 121 and 2 is a 4. This is the square root for 11 and 4. Now when we take x plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to plus minus 11 divided by 2 with respect to x, a plus sign, and with respect to minus sign. When we take now x plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 11 divided by 2 with respect to plus sign, and x plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to minus 11 divided by 2, so which is the minus sign. Now again x is equal to 11 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2, so when we take in right side 5 divided by 2, and here again x is equal to minus 11 divided by 2 same, and minus 5 divided by 2, when we take minus 5 divided by 2 come next side. Now x is equal to, when we take root when we take LCM which is equal to same like that, 11 minus 5 divided by 2, so which is equal to 6 divided by 3, so 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, so we can write 3 here. Now again this equation we can write in this form, so minus 8, basically this we can minus 2, so 2 is LCM, so minus 11 minus 5 16, so 16 divided by 2 which is 8. When we 16 divided by 2, so 16 divided by 2, so which is 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, so minus 8, solution set is 3 and minus 8, the solution set of this equation. Now next question. Now question number 12. In this question 15x square minus 34x plus 15 is equal to 0, which is solved by complete squaring method. So equation solution, equation 15x square minus 34x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now divide 15. So first of all we will divide 15 in this equation, so coefficient of x square should be 1 for complete squaring method. So 15 divided by this is 1, and 34 divided by 15 and 15 divided by 15, which is 1, because 15 divided by 15 cancel to each other and is equal to 1. Now adding 1 over 2 multiply coefficient of x square on both sides. So coefficient of x is 34 divided by 15 is coefficient of x. Now 1 divided by 2 plus 34 divided by 15 into square is equal to 17 divided by 15 whole square. Now 17 divided by 15 square at both sides in this equation. X square same as it is, minus 2 17 divided by 15 into x plus 1 plus 17 divided by 15 whole square is equal to 17 divided by 15 whole square. So now 2 into 17 divided by 15, 2 17 is 34. So when we take this equation here, so 34 we can 17 divided by 15, which 2 is the make complete square method. So 17 divided by 15 x plus 1. So x, this is a, this is b, this is again a, and this is again b. So this equation which makes a complete square a plus b. Now here, so x square plus 2 and minus 17 same equation here. Now arrange in this such like that, x square plus 2 17 same as it is, but 1 here, and 1 we will take here minus 1. So this equations b a b a, so a minus b whole square, which we will, when we close in this equation in like in this form. Now x minus 17 divided by 15 whole square, which is equal to 17 divided by 15 whole square minus 1. Now when we take squaring on both sides, but before taking square, first of all we will 17 multiply by 17 and 15 multiply by 15, 2. Now when we take LCM, so here now LCM, so 289 divided by divided by 225, when we take 225 LCM minus 1, 225 multiplied by 1, so 225. So this subtract 229 subtract 225, so which is 64. Now 64, so 225 as it is. Now we will taking squaring on both sides, but next we will taking squaring on both sides. Now take this equation again. Now x minus 17 divided by 15 whole square and is equal to 64 divided by 225. Now we know that the whole root of 64 is 8, 8 8 is 64, and 15 multiplied by 15 is 225. So 8 square cancel to square, this root cancel to each other, so square of 64 means 82 whole square, and 15 whole square, 15 square, so 15 cancel root and 2 cancel this, so 8 divided by 15, so plus minus sign. Now this equation we can write in with respect to one time plus sign and with respect to minus sign, again with respect to plus and with respect to minus sign. So 18 divided by 15 plus and minus 8 divided by 15 minus. Now again take minus 17 divided by 15, so which is equal to, now this 8 divided by 15 plus 17 divided by 15. So now we will take LCM 15 from this equation, where 25 divided by 15, and again now take here the equation, so again 8 divided by 15 plus, now again we take LCM 15. Now the value of x is 9 divided by 15 and 5 divided by 15. So but we will further simplify this equation. So we can take here 3 is a 9 and 3 5 is a 15. So value of x is 3 divided by 15, so 5 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 5. So we will solution set is here 5 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 5. So this is the solution set of this equation.